Okay, so this is the IQ 4000 RGB mid-tower ATX PC case. The white version. There's also a black version. Black version of different ratings? No, it's the same. Okay. Let's go with the black version. I generally like it. My current one's white, actually, but I want to go with the black build for this one. Let's take a look and see what we can discern just from visually looking at things. You're going to be able to see our cool LED fans in the front. We do have the heat sink and fans for the liquid cooler going out to the top. This is how I was hoping it would be. So I do like that. It does include some fans for you by Corsair. It does come with them. They are RGB as well, so they're already going to light up. So we might actually not have to buy additional fans if you get this case. Simple and easy cable routing. So it's going to show you how you can route the cables through the side panel down here. So you can hide them and keep them out of the way for airflow. This is like pretty standard now. You can also see where the solid state drive is coming in there, where it fits in on the side. Solid state drive is right here. Oh, here's an actual better picture. Here's the actual diagram. So the B would be our C gate, our Barracuda would go down in B. Our Samsung Evo would go up here. We have room for actually like an additional one someday if we wanted. And then our Barracuda would go here. I like that setup. That's nice and clean. Oh, look at this. This is a nice... That's a nice looking build. Good product photography. Very, 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 like, notice there's not a lot of like jutting out in here. Just get like a simple box so you maximize space, right? Your power supply is going to go down here. You have 3 fans in the front. Now, I think the front would then be covered tempered glass too, but it looks like there's a little bit more spacing. Maybe my concern there wasn't quite as bad. I just feel like, you know, I like having the... I think it's just a personal preference. I like the hot air rises, right, chat? Hot air rises. Cold air falls. So theoretically, it makes sense to vent maybe your hottest part of your system up and out. I always think. It makes sense to me anyway. So I like venting the liquid cooler from the CPU, the brains of the operation. It's going to get very hot, especially if you're overclocking it, up and out of the system. That's what my current build is like that. I like that setup. I want to see if we can get a good shot of the top here. You can get a little bit of the top. Like look at the mesh. Look how much breathing room. You can just get a glimpse of it here, but look how much breathing room the top is going to have. You just can't set anything on it, right? You can't spill liquids down in there. It's not going to be like I don't know who would actually do that. Like, please don't do that. That would be terrible. You got a 3090 in this thing. Don't do that. This case is much more my style. What is this tray for? Oh, this would be access to the power supply. In the back, this is where the power supply would go. Yeah, they never really did give us like a great shot of the top, but I imagine it looks like it's like a pretty nice area.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you haven't already done it, enter to win our $1,100 gaming creator bundle sweepstakes. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. But the exact sound that you hear right now, the setups we all use on our podcast, Rode is giving that away for free to you as a part of the sweepstakes. It includes this microphone, the shock mount, the boom arm, and let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. It also includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which makes you sound this good live. This is not even an edited video. This is the way you would sound live. Pretty great. Also, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, help you manage that YouTube channel more effectively and grow faster on YouTube. Plus, Restream threw in a license as well, so you can stream to multiple platforms and grow even faster. We use all of this stuff every single day. Now you can get hooked up with this for free. Enter for your chance to win. Link in the description below. Entering costs $0. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So good luck, gaming creators. I'm glad we could hook you up with this package, and I hope you win. Go do it.